Hi there, I'm changing the windshield wipers on my Mercury Mountaineer. A lot of Fords are the same, but this specific one is an '08 Mercury Mountaineer. On the fronts, you need two of these 20-inch blades, and on the back, there's a 13-inch blade. There's a link below in the description that will show you the exact stuff that I'm using, but let's get started on the back. Okay, so here's the 13-inch blade on the back. There's a little clip right here, or it will be right here. Just push that in and press it out. And then for replacement, you want to make sure that the rounded half is going in first. Press that in, pull it towards you. Now onto the fronts. This is a pretty similar strategy. On the back here there's a clip. Push that clip in and pull it towards you. You can see these are well past their prime. And on these Bosch that I like, they've got kind of like a cover here. So push that in, slide the cover in, clip it in, and there you're all set. Do the same thing on the other one, and you should be good to go for a while. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.